we put clips up here so the string wouldn't fall. And I put a tree over here for decoration, and it can go up. You just need to pull the string down for it to go up. Go. So what we did is we taped. Instead of making a hole, we taped it, and we made holes in the tape. And then we put the string through it, and then we pulled it, and then we attached the cup, and then we pulled it, and it worked. And then, yeah, that's what we
made this pulley with cardboard, a paper towel roll, and some pipe cleaners and clips, and 6 marbles and a cup and rubber bands and string. We use the string to pull it up like this. It's stuck.
Look at elephant. Sarah. We used a string, we used a cup, we used tape, and we used what are these called?
Paper clips.
We use paper clips, popsicle sticks, and then we put some popsicle sticks over there. We attached the cup to a string with tape. We attached the popsicle stick to the copper too, and this is how it works. We taped the popsicle stick to the paper towel roll. Then we clipped the rope to the popsicle stick. Then we pull it up slowly. And then it comes up. First of all, we tried to put this on top of that, but the clip was not staying on this, and when we tried to pull the marbles off, the marbles kept falling. And then we took this off. We clipped this to the tube, and then we clipped this to here, and then we pulled it up. And then it went up. And no bottom marble. So what we used is tape, and we used tape and this, and pipe cleaners and string and popsicle stick to make our pulley.
Okay, why don't you go ahead and pull on it so we see how it works.
They do it.
All the way up. Keep going. Pull all the way up. Go ahead.
I'm gonna have to.
Go ahead and fix it. There you go. Go ahead now. Pull it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Uh-oh. Very good. I like how you're troubleshooting. Go ahead. Pull it up. All the way up. All the way up. Good.
How it worked was that I put it on the toothpick so it could stay on there and not fall long enough, and then I taped the toothpick together so it doesn't fall too. And then if I try to do it, it will not fall because it's so long, the toothpick.